boy, it was on first and first. You possessed everything I like. You wore my color on your red shirt. And I was so scared to approach you, so you made the move first. And here you are, right here with me. Oh, I can't believe that a man like you has brought my dreams to reality. And I'm so elated. Oh, darling, can't you see? Hey, that's why I take the E to the 6 and then the 5. It's no lie. Oh, I take the J or the A just to be around your way. And you're the reason why I ride the train. Here's my stop, walk a few blocks, make a left and a right at your door. Why not? Anxiously and excited to be around someone who knows the depths of me. And you don't know how much I waited for this moment just to feel your touch. And how I love the way you wake up in the morning just to kiss my face. And that's why I take the E to the 6 and then the 5. It's no lie. No, I take the J or the A just to be around your way. And you're the reason why I ride the train. After you leave for work, oh, I love to lay in your t-shirt, thinking about the night before. Got me wanting more and more. And oh, I can't stand the way that it feels when I'm not holding your hand. That's another reason why it's no lie. Why I take the train across the bridge just to be where you love me. And you don't know the way that it feels to be so alone. That's why I take the train just to be where you are, to be where you are. That's why I take the E, the 6, and then the 5.